Hi, I'm Clement from Celtic Reviews, and it's good to be in front of the camera again. After a long break away from creating media and creating content, after fighting the little virus, I'm finally back and finally ready to push out some more content. And what a way to kick the year off by having something like this in-house where I get to share with you guys, and hopefully by the end I can persuade you guys to send me some questions. What I have here is the Samsung S21, so I'd like to unbox it and have a look as to what's inside, and hopefully you can join me. So just checking the box and going around here. Lots of cling wrap. You guys find you like this as well? Quite a satisfying taste to it, right? Anyway, so let's move the big box out of the way, and what we got is the Samsung S21. So without further ado, let's see what's inside and the contents that you do get in the box, and hopefully this could help you make the decision to get yourself one. So I've got my little scissor. It's a new year, hopefully with the new offers things in place, I could get myself a better cutting knife or unboxing knife, hopefully something to get this sorted. So here we go. This is the 256 gig model with 8 gigs of RAM, and the color is Phantom Gray on this one. So here we go, and finally the device itself. As you can see, and this is the S21 with the camera that folds into the body right about here. It's a pretty cool design that Samsung decided to go with this year. And let's just place this to the side to see what else we get in the box. There's some pin ejector. So inside we got the quick start booklet, the warranty card, Samsung Care. Whatever happens, we make the best of it. So basically Samsung Care is a certain amount which you pay Samsung. It's a once-off, and once that's done, and in the event where you have a cracked screen or cracked display, Samsung will repair that for you. Also, Samsung Pay is pretty cool, and they're always running pretty cool promotions whereby you can get things off of Samsung Pay, or Samsung Pay will help you accumulate a certain amount of points to enter a certain amount of competitions, which is also pretty cool. And then Samsung Pay in itself, whereby you go to the store and you can use your phone as a card. So that's pretty cool. The other thing that is included in the package is a USB-C to USB-C cable, and that's about it. As you can see, the box is empty. There's nothing more. I got nothing more to share in the box. So the next best thing to do is to remove the plastic off of the phone. So that's that. You can put that to the side, and I can do this and put that to the side. And lastly, off the camera hump, I can peel this off and put that to the side. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. It's not the Ultra. The Ultra would have the extra camera and the extra sensors. I'm very excited to test this out, as I am very drawn to the features of the camera this year. Something particular I'm looking forward to would be the director's mode. Hopefully after checking out this video, you guys would have some questions whereby you'd like to ask me that I can add to the full review and possibly answer some of your questions. So for now, let's just see if I can power on the device. And as you can see, so what I'll do is I'll just forward through this part, and once the device is booted up, I'll be right back. this is the device in all its beauty. The device can refresh up to 120 Hz, which is pretty cool. Check out some of my handles, and I will be posting much more content on there now that I have this device. Till we meet again, goodbye.